likes Sam, but Sam likes fishing, so she'll choose Richard for a fee. The doctor is busy, he's at the golf course,
but Nancy can kiss it to make it 12.
Randy and Ann are always in trouble. Fred the beggar never feels very well. If you need help, the policeman is there. The lifeguard is watching over beach and sea. Come and fly to Cartoon Island. It's the only place to be.
Change, please. Dimes, quarters, anything?
Have you been to see the doctor again?
No, I can't afford to see the doctor.
Well, who fixed up your arm then?
Nurse Nancy. She saw me trip on the pier and fall. She was very generous to patch me up for free.
Yes, Nurse Nancy is very nice.
I wish everyone on the island were as nice as Nurse Nancy.
What was Nancy doing at the pier anyhow?
I'm not sure. She said she saw me with the lifeguard's telescope.
The lifeguard seems to get a lot of visitors.
He doesn't talk much about it.
That's true. The lifeguard never talks about his visitors.
He's not like the shopkeeper's parrots.
What's that about parrots?
Oh, you know, the talking parrots that the shopkeeper is always trying to sell.
Nobody ever buys his parrots, do they?
I don't know. Sam seemed pretty interested in them when he was in the shop the other day.
It's open, you idiot! Can I help you?
I'm looking for something very special.
A book, perhaps?
I'm not sure.
How can I help you find what you're looking for if you don't know what it is you're looking for?
I'm looking for a present for my girlfriend. I don't know what she likes.
Who is your girlfriend?
Lydia.
Lydia is very stylish. You'll need something very special for Lydia.
Exactly. Do you have any suggestions?
I do indeed. Step this way.
What's this? You think I should buy a parrot for Lydia?
They make wonderful pets. Very stylish and very popular.
Well, I don't know. They are very pretty. Say, this parrot has strings tied to his legs.
That's right. The strings make the parrot talk.
How can strings make a parrot talk?
Simple, like this.
Hello? Hello?
Pull the right string, the parrot says hello.
Why, that's wonderful.
It's simple. You try it.
Hello? Hello? What about the other string?
Right string, hello. Left string, goodbye.
What a clever bird. What happens if you pull both strings at the same time?
I fall off my perch, you idiot!
Oh, I don't know about that.
Come back soon to Cartoon Island, away to the sun and the sand and sea. Come back soon to Cartoon Island, it's the only place to be. There's no fishing on Cartoon Island, but there's a party almost every night.
There's so much fun on Cartoon Island.
You never want to go back home again. Come back soon to Cartoon Island, away to the sun and the sand and sea. Come back soon to Cartoon Island, it's the only place to be.